Hello children, today we are going to complete our classwork notes for the lesson number 9, the living organisms, characteristics and habitat. Okay. So first children, take out your classworks, write down the date and the topic both in the index as well as on a fresh page. Write down the keywords. The first one is adaptation, ADAPTATION. Second is aquatic habitat, AQUATIC, aquatic, HABITAT, habitat. Third is acclimatization, ACCLIMATISATION, acclimatization. Fourth is biotic component, BIOTIC, biotic, COMPONENT, component. Fifth is excretion, EXCRETION. Sixth is growth, GROWTH. Seventh is reproduction, REPRODUCTION. Eighth is respiration, RESPIRATION. Ninth is responsiveness, RESPONSIVENESS. And tenth one is stimulus, STIMULUS. Okay. So after completing these keywords, write down the TB exercises. The first question is, what is a habitat? So write down the answer children. The surroundings where animals live, is called their habitat. Full stop. The organisms depend on their habitat for food, water, air, shelter and other needs. Food, water, air, shelter and other needs. Full stop. Habitat means a dwelling place. Full stop. Now children, write down the second question. How are cactus adapted to survive in a desert? The answer for this, write down. Cactus are adapted to survive in a desert, as they have to hyphen there. Write down the first point. The answer continues here children. Okay, the first point is no leaves or spiny leaves to prevent water loss. Through transpiration. Transpiration. Second point, stem is modified in such a way, stem is modified in such a way that it performs photosynthesis and conserve water. Full stop. Next, third point, their roots go very deep. Their roots go very deep into the soil, for absorbing water. Okay. Now children, write down the third one, that is fill in the blanks. A. The presence of specific features which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. Write down adaptation. ADAPTATION. Next, B. The habitats of the plants and animals that live on land. Are called terrestrial habitats. TERRESTRIAL. Terrestrial. C. The habitat of plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitat. Write down AQUATIC. Aquatic habitat. Next question. Soil, water and air are the dash factors of a habitat. Are the abiotic factors. ABIOTIC. Abiotic factors. Next question. Changes in our surroundings that makes us respond to them are called stimuli. 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 Now children, write down fourth question. Which of the things in the following list are non-living? So these are the list of things. We have to write which is the non-living thing here. The first is flow. Write down the answer here. Non-living things. Non-living things. So here the first one is flow. PLOUGH. Flow. Then sewing machine. Next, radio. Next, boat. That's all. Boat. Water hyacinth, earthworm and mushroom are living things. Now children, write down the fifth question. Give an example of a non-living thing which shows any two characteristics of living things. So a non-living thing but shows characteristics of living things. We have to give an example of that non-living thing. So write down the answer. Example of non-living thing is cloud. Non-living thing is cloud, which shows which shows characteristics of living things. And which are the characteristics shown by cloud, children? It grows in size. It grows in size. More water vapor collected, then the growth will be more. Then next is it shows movement. The cloud shows movement. So these two characteristics of living thing is seen in this non-living thing cloud. Now children, write down the sixth question. Which of the following non-living things were once part of a living thing? These are the options: butter, leather, soil, wool, electric bulb, cooking oil, salt, apple and rubber. So write down the answer, children, now. Butter, comma, leather, comma, wool, comma, cooking oil, apple and rubber are the non-living things which were once part of a living thing. So children, once this leather, wool, butter, cooking oil, all this wool is a hair part of the sheep, correct? So when it was on the sheep, it was growing. Then after, when we cut the wool, it will behave as a non-living thing. So same way, leather, the skin of animal, then cooking oil, what we get from the animal fats as well as the plant seeds. Apple also, once when it was on the tree, we were considering it as a living thing. It was growing, it was ripening, correct? And it was taking the nourishment. After plucking the apple, it will become a non-living thing. Write down the answer. Yes, children. Now write down the seventh question. That is, list the common characteristics of living things. So write down the answer. First one, growth. Second one, movement. Third one, reproduction. Then I am writing here side, right? You can write in the next line, children. Fourth is respiration. Fifth is excretion. Then sixth is responsiveness. Now children, write down the eighth question. That is, explain why speed is important for survival in the grasslands for animals that live there. Okay, we have to explain why speed is important in the survival. So write down the answer. In grasslands grassland habitats, there are few trees there are few trees or plant or places, few trees or places for animal to hide, for animal to hide. Full stop. When their enemy attacks, when their enemy attacks, they have to run. They have to run faster so as to reach a safe place. A safe place. Full stop. If they fall, comma, they lose their life. They lose their life. Full stop. So, comma, the speed is very important for the survival of animals in grasslands. Full stop. So children, now please complete whatever the question answers are given in a neat and clean handwriting, legible handwriting. Okay. Next class I will be giving you some more extra questions and definitions. Thank you.